What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little end of summer makeup look for you all. I posted a haul last month on my channel, but I actually filmed that a few months back. So I've been using those products throughout the summer, and I kind of wanted to do a makeup look for you guys, trying some of them out for you, and just kind of showing you how I've been liking doing my makeup this past summer. It's been a weird one, but when I have been doing my makeup, this is kind of what I've been doing. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Now, I do have oily skin, so we're going to start off with a primer. I'm trying to use primers. I've only had this one for like a week. I've probably only used it just a couple times. But it's the e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. But we're just going to put this on the T-zone. Where I'm going to put this on the T-zone. Where I get oily the most. Sorry if I keep looking in this direction. Tommy got me a new camera for my birthday, and the viewfinder is now over here. So I'm gonna try and look in the lens though. Okay, we're gonna just let that sit for just a second, and then we're going to go in with foundation. I am still using the Wet n Wild stick foundation. I really want to get a new one, or just like a new foundation to try out. I mean, I've been using this one for over a year now, and it's almost done. So it's like right there, right at the end of it. Almost all over the face. Now, for a while, foundation just was not blending into my skin very well. So I picked up a Real Techniques sponge, and we're just going to use that to blend it in, and I've really been liking this. So I did want to mention, I haven't used any for a little bit, but during the summer I was using the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops, and I just would mix that with moisturizer and then put it on my skin, and I really liked it. This didn't make me break out or anything. It's just, it would give you like a really nice glow, which is always a good thing. So I've been using this out the past summer, and I really like it. I would just put like 2 drops in my moisturizer every few days, and yeah, it would just give like a really nice color to the skin. That makeup haul that I posted last month, I actually like filmed that months ago and then just finally posted it, and I had purchased the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I bought this because I saw all these people using it, really wanted to try it out. I was trying it out, and it was not working under my under eyes. I don't know what it is. My under eyes are very sensitive, and I just have like these under eye bumps, and I would put this on, I would apply it, and it would just like separate and look creepy and gross. So I was really bummed for a while that it wasn't working. And then I picked up the Mario Badescu eye cream again, and that fixed my under eyes within like a few days, and now it works out really well. But right around the time I got that eye cream, I also bought another one of the Bobbi brown correctors, which these I absolutely love. So now what I do is I put this on first, just because the Becca is a lot brighter. So I put this one on first just to kind of correct my dark under eyes, and then this as a brightening one. So that's what we're gonna do now. Last year, or like a couple years when I first bought this, I got the shade Light Bisque. This time around I got the shade Light Peach, and yeah, I like them both. This one I find is a lot more like orange, whereas the other one, I don't know, I guess was a little more neutral colored, I think. I don't really know what the words are. But this one I do notice is a lot more orange pigmented. But it blends in just perfectly right there. And now we're gonna go in with the Becca. So this is the Becca. It is a lot more just brighter, paler in color. This one I do bring down the face a little bit more, just in this triangle area. I also put it just right here, down the nose, and right on the chin. And then with this one, I like to blend in with the sponge again. I'm telling you, ever since I just changed eye creams, my under eyes are just back to being normal, and yeah, it's really great. That Mario Badescu eye cream is really good. Okay, now we're going to set everything, and I have been loving the Hourglass Mineral Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It is a lot just thinner powder than the Laura Mercier one. I'm definitely going to be getting the full size of this once I run out. So I just put some in the lid, and then I take that sponge again, and I just dip it in, and I go right under the eyes, on the forehead, down the nose, the chin, and then right around the nose as well. And we're gonna leave that there. We're gonna let it set, and it just really sets in that product, makes it not move. Okay, so now while that's setting, I'm just gonna move to brows. I picked up the ColourPop Brow Wash Gel in the shade Light Brown a while back now, and I absolutely love it. So we're just gonna quickly do these, put it through. I'd say this is really similar to the Glossier one. It's just not. I feel like the Glossier one was really wet. This one is just a step down from that, which I like this one more. So what I like to do is kind of like brush the brows up and through, and then I'll kind of let it sit like that for a while, and then I'll go through with another brush and then brush them down and like make them look a little more normal. So brows are done. We are just going to dust off the powder now. We're gonna finish off the face and then go into eyes. So for Christmas, I got a few NuSticks products, and I've been loving them. I love basically every product that I got, but for the bronzer, I got the Bondi Bay Nudies, and this is just the perfect shade. Their sticks are so like creamy and just really easy to blend. I love them. So we're gonna take this just on the cheeks, and then the forehead. I like to go right on down the sides of the nose, the lip, and then the chin. And then I just blend this with a like duo fiber kind of stippling brush. They just blend like really easily and quick, and they just come in these perfect little sticks. They're just convenient, really convenient. And then to set that, I'm almost done with this Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I do really like this bronzer. It is a good color. It has kind of like a, not shimmer, but kind of sheen to it. It's good. It's a good one. And for blush, I'm going to use the Nudies blush color in the shade Bare Back. That's not right. And then for blush, I'm going to use a nude. And then for blush, I'm going to use another NuSticks product. This is the blush in the shade Bareback, and it's just a good like neutral pink color. It's kind of cool toned. So for these, I like to again just put it right on the face and then blend with the brush. I've been loving putting it like right here on the cheeks and then a little over the nose. So I just blend it like right on the apples of the cheeks, bring it up just a little bit, and then in and over the nose. And then for highlight, I am using the Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone, and this is just a like light champagne-ish color. So just putting this on the top of the cheekbones, the nose, and also the Cupid's bow. Okay, now for eyeshadow, I've been loving using this Roen palette. It is the eyeshadow palette in the shade 1111. They're just so easy to use, so easy to blend, and they do crease, but it's not like everything just clumps up in the crease. It's weird. It's very weird to explain, but I don't know, they're really good shadows. I showed this in the haul that I did, but these are the colors right here. Okay, so we're going to be taking this red shade right here. I think this is the color Chow. Maybe it's rosy. I have no idea. I don't know. Oh, I think it's rosy. Okay, rosy. And you just rub your finger in there and then just apply it to the lids. I mean, do you see that? Like that, oh, it's so pretty. That glitter, sheen, sparkle. I love it. And then what I take is a small synthetic brush and I kind of just blend in the edges. So, just like so. Just back and forth. And then again, just I'm gonna take the brush this time, dip it into that shade, same color, and go along the lower lash line. And then going into this like kind of gray green shade. This is the color, I think, Situation. And taking that brush again, and then putting that on the lash line. Sorry, on the upper lashes. Next, what I'd like to do is I'd like to go back in that bronzer with just kind of a fluffy brush, swirl it around, and go right into that crease, because they're all like shimmers, so there's no kind of transition shade or just anything to put in the crease that I like to, at least. So we're just gonna put this just in the crease, help that color blend a little bit more, a little definition. And then going into the highlight and highlighting the inner quarter and the brow bone. But we're gonna curl my eyelashes. I've realized that my eyelashes do not hold a curl. They're very long, but they just fall throughout the day. So we're gonna curl them again. I curled them before the video and I feel like they've already just kind of gone down. So just get those bad boys in there. And for mascara, I think I showed this in, I think I got this in that one haul, but no I didn't. Starting over. Alright, for mascara, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I really like this. It doesn't make it like super clumpy or anything. It's just kind of light, wispy. It does really good at just kind of coating every lash and not making everything look super clumpy, because I feel like I have a lot of lashes, but sometimes when I put mascara on, they just all, I don't know, it looks weird sometimes. But this mascara I really like. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This has like a plastic one. This one kind of clumps up the lashes, but not too bad. You just have to be careful with it. So and that is lashes done. Now, finally, we have lips. I normally just wear chapstick. I don't like to reapply things throughout the day, which is probably why I get so oily, because I don't reapply powder. But I do love that Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the shade Bear to Comment. It's good lip liner. It's creamy, it's pretty, it's great. How I try to line my lips when I actually do is I like to overline just a smidge. So on the bottom, just right in the middle, I'll go like right below my lip line. And then for the top, since they're uneven, this is the shade, or this is the side that's like way thinner than this side. So we're just gonna bring it up just a little bit. I don't like to do too much because I don't know what I'm doing, so. And then for lip gloss, I got this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I think it was for Christmas. I love this shade. At first I didn't like it. At first I was like, this is weird. I don't know, what is it? It's like doesn't get sticky, I guess, which is weird to me for a lip gloss. I've never experienced that, but I do really like it now. But it leaks, and so I can't just take it and put it in my purse because it always leaks on me. But the color is really nice. And it smells really good. But yeah, it's super creamy, super glossy, but it doesn't stick. It's not a sticky gloss. It's cool. It's different. Alright guys, so that is it for my video today. I hope you all enjoyed this kind of little end of summer makeup look and maybe even found a product that you guys want to try. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button down below, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Oh, I never ever know which way to go. Hello.